Oh my God.
Foremost, y'all, I want to give a huge shout out to each and every one of y'all for 500 subs, y'all. We did it. We're there, and we'll be doing the giveaway hopefully this weekend. Some lucky son of a gun's gonna get him one of these 6S packs and a whole Bash Queen carbon fiber kit. So seriously, guys, you guys are the ones that made it possible, and I can't thank you enough. So let's get out here and rip this thing and have some fun. What is going on, YouTube? You know the drill. We're out here getting ready to shoot this thing. This is my fully M2C hinge pin, I mean, you name it, scorched titanium chassis and top brace, brand new 6S RC lipo, QS8 connectors, basher or M2C down here, Bash Queen here, RPM, hot racing steering setup, hot racing center diff cover, you name it, it's got it, but that's not what we're here for. All right, y'all. Well, apparently I gotta buy some body clips because, yeah, I can't find none. Oh, it's got Vitavon hubs and knuckles too, Method RC wheels on it. This thing is so lively. 1650 hobbywing. Holy hell, yo. This thing is nuts.
Drink on that.
That broke already. Now it's freaking raining and everything else, and anything that can possibly happen to try to keep me from going out here shooting this video is happening. But we're gonna try it anyway. Just gonna have to go there and hit it good once, I guess. Method RCs have no traction. None. Don't leave home without them. Oh, MIP. Let's go over the old head here. Once we're off here, one more again. Watch out, Jeremy. It's out again, ain't it? I seen it. I seen it. You kidding me with this shit? Y'all see that? Look. Yeah. Oh man, you gotta be kidding me with this arm. The old flimsy ass RPM arm. Did it come out again, or is it good? And if after that it stays in there, you kidding me? One more hit. Is it in there still? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, dude. Wow, that was close. Oh, yep. All right, y'all. You ain't doing something you love, you're doing something wrong. I'm done. Later on there. And there's my dog bone again. Woo-wee. Hey, that made me pucker up, bud. Holy hell.